Okay, I am going to tell a bit about the Boardmaker software. Many of you may have used it or are using it to create your children's communication boards. I am just going to explain a few things about it, because I use it to create awareness cards and birthday cards for humanities staff pupils. What is Boardmaker? Boardmaker is a symbol-based software designed to make communication simpler for persons who have little or no functional speech. The user has access to thousands of PC symbols. PCs means picture communication symbols. Boardmaker supports individuals' learning, communication and social emotional needs in the classroom, therapy room or at home. Individuals now have access to easy-to-print materials for all ages. With an intuitive interface with built-in editing, PC symbols can be searched, and templates can be easily created. Boardmaker is a program that can be loaded onto a PC or laptop. It is a software used to create low-technology communication boards. Communication boards can be used by persons with little or no functional speech in order to communicate their needs and wants. Therefore, the key benefits of Boardmaker are that it is efficient, customizable, shareable and compatible with a range of operating systems. Here is an example of the Boardmaker cover CD and what it looks like. My experience using Boardmaker 6. I use Boardmaker almost daily to create special occasion cards and low-technology communication boards upon request. As the software is intuitive, I can easily edit and print templates for use. Boardmaker allows one to add 2 languages on each cell, making it appropriate for the South African context. And now there's the latest version of Boardmaker 7. It supports learning and communication in the classroom, therapy room, or home with this trove of customizable material, including access to over 40,000 picture communication symbols PCs. Boardmaker 7 is offered as a standard or subscription option. An intuitive interface with built-in editing, templates, and advanced search. Import saved material from older Boardmaker versions. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Chromebook. Available as a one-time purchase including 1 license usable on a maximum of 2 devices. I haven't had the chance to give it a try yet, but it looks interesting. Boardmaker also has the option to use a word with a symbol or just symbols or words on their own depending on the individual's level of understanding. Example seen in next slide. Boardmaker also allows you to import family or friends' photos from your PC, which adds a personal touch to the communication board. Words seen on templates can also be in bold, italics and in different font sizes as well. If there is a word not listed on the communication board, a cell can include the phrase, "not on board," or, "allow me to spell it out," which further assists with successful communication. Here are a few guidelines when using Boardmaker. I will just go through them. Using Boardmaker 6+ guidelines. But let me help you by doing a demonstration example with you guys. I'm now going to do a demonstration. Can you please follow along as I do it with you now? Well, first you need to upload the Boardmaker onto your PC or laptop. Once you have it on, then you can click on it to load and open. Once it opens, you will see 3 options to choose from. You can open a saved board or the template board. But I am going to click on the blue one because I want to create a new board. As you can see, has small blocks of cells to choose your options on top of the white paper board. Right, I'm going to click on the rectangle cube shape next to the black arrow. This is for creating cells, and you can choose the size of the cube, depending on how big or many cells you want in a board. So you are going to click, hold, and then drag diagonally to draw a button. I am going to show you how to multiply the cells using one cell. First, you click on the 4 rectangles, of which it is called the button sprayer tool, above, and then move it onto the cell. And then you drag the button sprayer tool on top of the button you have just created. Also, click, hold, and drag it below to as many cells as you need to create your board. Once done, then you proceed to start with your board. Let's say you are creating a board for self-care. You are going to click on the first block, and then there's a little man, S face on top, of which it is called the Symbols Finder. You see, on your right, Symbols Finder pop up, and then you go on to search for symbols on the tiny blank space below the red arrow. Then you start typing the word you would like to begin with, like I or me. You will see it will give options of many symbols. Then you have to click on the left side of the house and the red apple and stickman. And then look for the symbol you're looking for. Then click on it, and you can edit the word from me to I or myself by clicking on the below word me. Then you press enter, it will go on the red highlighted cell. Then you continue with the next word search till you have completed the board as you want it. Then you save it. Or one can change the colors of the t-shirt or skin color by clicking on the symbol you want to make changes on. By using the pointer tool, click on the item whose color you want to change. Select the color tool, and then the color palette will open. Then click on the color you want to use. And the options will pop up again. Then you're going to click on pouring jug fifth from your top right to the left side. You choose yes. Make sure you click on the shirt inside, not on the black lining. If you decolor the symbols according to the verbs and other parts of speech in different colors, then you have to click the side of the cell button inside it. Or you group all your 5W, or verbs by highlighting all of them and then click on the pouring jug again. When you are done, then you can click on the black arrow above. Next to the arrow, it is the different color to choose from when making changes. Next to it, is your cell borders lining, of which you can choose the size you want for your cell board to be. Next to it is going to be the button borders thickness of your button shapes. You can always edit your changes by clicking on the right cell, and you can change font sizes. And you can use 2 different languages on the cell. By clicking on the Symbols Finder Tools button, use the drop-down menu to select the desired language for line language and line 2 language. Select your preferred text sizes in lines 1 and 2. You can also choose to use color symbols or black and white symbols. Set the location of the text label relative to the symbols. How do you want labels to be, on top or bottom? Click the OK button when you are done making your selections. You can create new symbols by combining 2 or more existing symbols on Boardmaker as well. By clicking on the button that already has a symbol in it, and click on Add to option, the new symbol will be added on top of the already existing symbol. Then you can move to right position you want it be. You can also import a picture of your own. You can personalize your activities by adding photos or graphics that you have saved on your computer. You click on File and then on Import, then Picture. It will take you to Files on your computer, and then you will go select your picture. Click on the picture you want, then Open. But if you want the picture to be saved as a symbol, it is a different method. Let me show you how you do it. You click on the Symbols Finder, and then you click on the file. Then Import Picture, and it will lead to pictures on your computer. Then you select Picture and Open. The My Symbols will pop up. As you can see your picture on the right. Then you click on Add a Name and add the name of it. After that you assign categories. You pick any category you wish your picture to appear under. Then you click on OK. Once done you click on Import. Your picture will be stored as a symbol. Any questions?